It's no doubt that Toyota hybrids have become absolutely legendary when it comes to reliability, with some crossing north of nearly 500,000 kilometers or miles on the original powertrain. But when you're talking about the hybrid or electrification side of things, eventually every battery ages. The real question that I'm going to answer in this video is, when that happens, what happens? Are you replacing the entire thing, or can you service or repair the hybrid high voltage battery? Let's cover how Toyota hybrid batteries actually work and clear a huge misconception. Now, if you want to know more detailed information about the hybrid Toyota system in terms of maintenance, performance, efficiency, all that stuff and everything in between, you can get yourself a copy of a free hybrid guide ebook that I'm going to leave a link to in the description below. It's absolutely free. You can get your hands on it, no problem. If you appreciate stuff like this, then consider subscribing to the Toyota World YouTube channel. It's important to note that Toyota hybrid batteries are not just one massive giant battery. They're actually made up of dozens of smaller battery modules connected together. For example, this is where it comes to servicing rather than repairing. For example, most Toyota Priuses use 28 individual modules, each module having its own voltage. And over time, with gradual degradation, which takes a long time for that to actually happen, some modules can wear out faster than other modules. This means that in many cases, or over time, if you have 20 plus or 30 plus battery modules within your hybrid high voltage battery, that it could be only a few certain modules are failing and not the entire battery pack. Now, this is where things get really interesting, and that is, what does serviceable actually mean when you're talking about the hybrid powertrain system? Asking if you can service or repair, let's say, your hybrid high voltage battery usually means one of these three things. Battery module replacement, so for example, replacing individual modules which are failing or have failed. This is generally the less expensive of the three scenarios when you're talking about overall maintenance or servicing of your Toyota hybrid high voltage battery. Another possibility, now I haven't really heard of this one really actually taking place, and that is battery reconditioning. So for example, rebalancing and reconditioning the hybrid high voltage battery itself, temporarily restoring performance by equalizing module voltages. That actually seems a little bit more on the complicated side in my opinion, and it probably is better to weigh into option or scenario one that I just mentioned, or the next one being full battery replacement. Yes, that means replacing the entire battery pack to a new battery, or sometimes you can get something that is secondhand, refurbished, depending on where you're from, where you're located, and where you're doing your service work. My number one recommendation, anything with regards to electrification or Toyota hybrid maintenance or servicing, I strongly recommend to do it only at a reputable Toyota store. These mechanics and technicians are vigorously trained and very knowledgeable on how to handle and deal your electrified Toyota hybrid system. When something's going on with your Toyota hybrid high voltage battery in terms of degrading or module issues, option 3 or scenario 3, replacement of the entire battery pack, is usually the most reliable option, but yes, it could be or can be the highest priced option in terms of servicing. Because even though for the most part Toyota hybrid batteries are serviceable, it doesn't always mean that they should be repaired. Because one thing to remember is that all the modules inside this hybrid high voltage battery pack are aging together. So if one or two modules fail, the other modules are usually not far behind. That's why you may have heard online that when repairs or service work are done with regards to individual modules on a hybrid battery, that within months or within a year or so, that same vehicle is back in the shop getting looked at again. So typically the most reliable of the three scenarios is replacement of the hybrid high voltage battery. Don't take me wrong, that doesn't mean that servicing the hybrid battery is completely a lost scenario. It's definitely something that would make sense in scenarios, for example, where the car is older, if it's a 10, 15-year-old Toyota hybrid, if you're selling or getting rid of that Toyota hybrid soon, if you need just a budget patch fix and something that you know may not be extremely long term, or only a small imbalance is existing currently in terms of degradation on that hybrid battery. Use your basic knowledge of understanding what's worth it and what's not. If you have a Toyota Prius that's worth $5,000 to $7,000, if you sold it, dropping a $3,000-$4,000 battery replacement into that may not make sense. It may make sense for you to see if you can get some service or repair work done instead. Well, if you're new to the Toyota world in terms of electrification and hybrid, you may or may not already know that Toyota hybrids are extremely reliable and very durable. And that's why they're backed by one of the best manufacturer warranties, depending on where you're from or where you're located, up to 10 years on the hybrid components, which is very impressive. Now, in terms of what kind of hurts the lifespan of a Toyota hybrid high voltage battery, I've covered this in many of my other videos, and also I believe I elaborate on this a little bit more in the hybrid ebook guide. But two main components I would say. One is heat, so really high heat or over use or exhaustion of that hybrid battery. Normally, if it's parked for long periods of time, that can also speed up degradation. If it's a vehicle that you only use once in a while and it really remains parked for most of its life, that most likely will hurt the hybrid high voltage battery. So keep these two things in mind. So for the conclusion of this video, can you actually repair, work on, or service your hybrid battery? Or if something goes wrong, do you need to absolutely just go straight to replacing it? Yes, you can definitely absolutely repair or maybe even recondition a hybrid battery depending on where you are going for this service work and depending on your exact condition and circumstances with the vehicle itself. Usually a full replacement is your best bet, but depending on the age of the vehicle, your budget, how long you plan to keep the vehicle, and honestly, Toyota hybrids have been proven to be some of the most durable hybrid systems ever made. I didn't cover the exact replacement cost. I'll leave that for another video and another day, but generally you can get yourself in the range of, for sure, a few $1,000s, depending on what kind of hybrid Toyota it is. And also if you're getting something that's secondhand or completely brand new from the dealer, that will fluctuate in terms of pricing. Also, if it's a plug-in hybrid Toyota, like a plug-in Prius or RAV4, generally those batteries are more in-depth and heavy-duty and have higher capacity. So those hybrid batteries are usually much more costly than the regular hybrid batteries. Keep that in mind as well. If you like this video, you learned something, smash a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.